mkiwa wengi. So what we want to interfere with the patients. Wachani nilipia wa mama, wachani kuwapungia, hata pia nyinyi binadamu. Let me just pay for them. Unajua, there's nothing bad they have come to do, only to pay for their balances. Niende zangu. Sasa polisi wanaitwa kwa nini na hakuna kitu mbaya nimekuja kuonya? Hii ni hospitali. Hospitali lazima iheshimiwe. You know? Please. Niko mzima. Angalia mtu wangu. Municipal manager.
Yes.
Me, I'm a mother.
Yes.
And as a mother,
yes.
I did not come to cause any harm.
Yes.
You see these ladies?
Yes.
Mama 24. They have a bill of 376,970.
Yes.
I just want to pay. And out I go.
Yes,
and mothers go home.
Yeah. Is that we go to the office so that we can be able to sort it out?
No, it is sorted. It is also already sorted.
So let's go to the medicine office.
For what now?
That is where we can be able to sort it out from.
It is not sorting. There's nothing we are talking.
Yes.
See, this is
exactly.
See, this record I have gotten from you.
Allow you until you visit the medicine office.
Why?
So
for payment?
You can know the genesis and histories so that we can agree on where we are.
They don't want to. Listen, municipal manager.
We are not talking to you.
No,
please.
I'm talking to municipal manager. Municipal manager, yangu municipal manager. Ni kulipia watu.
I agree.
300.
I agree.
766. Hii ni rekodi yako.
The government has got an arrangement, and I know we are going to settle that. So please, so that we don't have a conflict.
No, okay. Then do me a favor. Do me a favor. See, these people are here. Are these ladies going to go home today?
Yes.
They are going.
Yes.
Let us talk.
Yeah.
How long have they stayed here?
Now that is the history that we want to go from and get from the medical
Allow
office.
Me to pay for these ladies. They go home.
No, we agree, but please
allow me.
And we appreciate your help.
Let me ask you, municipal manager, because I'm not removing anybody who came yesterday, anybody who came last week.
Yes.
I am not interested. The hospital is big.
You see, I'm
not interested with those one. The lady who called me last night, she has been here for 2.5 months. I am here because of that one lady. Then I ask, are you the only one who is there? No, we are 24. And then I have this record. If this record is not, this record is Ruiru Level 4 Hospital bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026. So municipal manager, wamama ndio hawa.
Follow the protocols of the hospital.
Wamama ndio hapa.
The protocols on how they came in and how they discharge. We don't just
no, but municipal manager,
we can't do that.
No, you cannot. I don't want you to discharge before I pay. I am here to pay. They called me to pay. Now treat them right now. They are my family, because if at all they had family, if they had people who are supposed to have taken care of them, I could not be here, my dear. My municipal manager, if you had done that, I could not be here today. So allow the mothers to go home. Surely ni wa mama wetu. Hawa ni wa mama wetu.
Hakuna mtu anazuia.
Hapana, basi nataka kulipa hii bill.
We are going to do that.
Yes, I do. I believe in protocols.
Kama imelipwa watoke waende.
Hawa mama wote wako ndani. Hawa wako. Angalia, hakuna watu wamelipiwa. Why don't you allow me to pay for them? No, that's what I'm saying. Show me where to pay. 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 No, show me where to pay.
Why do you bring this kind of people?
Show me where to pay. Admin.
No,
where do I pay?
To the office.
Usinipeleke kwa supu. Akiwa mwananchi wa kawaida aendi kwa mkubwa, nipeleke kwa kashia. Nipeleke kwa kashia, municipal manager.
Why can you bring
take me? Are we going to the
mmekuja na watu wengine
not police wako kazi yao.
Polisi wafanya. Sasa tufanye hivi. Municipal manager. Take me to go and pay, not to the super, not
you have to look at
the cashier. Naenda kwa cashier.
We cannot allow to just
kwa cashier. Tuende kwa cashier. Wamama waende nyumbani.
Mnataka tu kuvuta
wamama waende nyumbani. Kuja wamama wiki 3 mwezi 3. Me and my mother 3 months.
Basi sisi wote turudi pande hii.
3 months.
Tuache hii ni hospitali, tuheshimu hospitali.
And I respect the hospital. And I am a mother. What I am saying, I want to be given an opportunity to pay for these 24 mothers who have stayed here for 3 months. And I have said I have come to pay here. This is the amount of money. The amount of money is here. 376,970. Let's go. Nimebeba pesa. I want to go and pay for them. They go home. Yeah, twende. Waende nyumbani. Yeah. Twende. I'm not allowing. It is the mother. These mothers are going home today. 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 I know they were already interviewed by Inoro. So Inoro is already there, has already interviewed. It went there ahead. Mothers who are there, my admin, you have a family at home. Yes. My daktari, you have a family at home. If these people came just like any other day, and they have said a process the way they take 2 weeks, they have been taken care of, I don't have a problem. These mothers have stayed there for 3 months and 2. If at all you wanted to discharge them, you could have discharged them yesterday, because there is nobody who is sick. Do you know there is one child who is starting almost winning, and you have and they are still there in that already. The videos are already taken. So that watu tuongee ukweli, ile ya Mwenyezi Mungu ndio Mungu akiwa juu mbinguni amuone na atuone. Mimi sijakuja vita, hata sitaki vita. Mwenyezi Mungu, wacha wamama warudi kwa watoto wao. 3 months. So 3 months. Kaita mutaretha ngai mwega atirere admin witu ni wedira hakuri atai mutaretha atirere mwega ni mwama withira ni ona ndire na thina tathikiriria reke tuiguane oko ni mwama withira ri uga amba wetikire niguo oko ni mwama withira ri ungi withirwo ri andu mekaga atia maima makainuka nigetha atumia acio mamenye ni ngukite na nima ni nguite mbeca. Sijakuja huku kakara, sijakuwa mimi nimebeba 400,000. I have 400,000. If at all I am to pay, let me pay. If at all I am not paying, so that I can see what I had come to do is being facilitated. Give me a seat. I will not talk. I want to see those mothers going home, so that even if they don't have fare, I am seated here. I will give them fare. I am from seeing them wanachungulia kwa madirisha. Mumewafungia huko. Kwa nini mfungie wamama ambao wamejifungua? Kwa nini mnafungia wamama hawajifungua? Si wewe tumetoka hapo na wewe? Si tumetoka hapo na wewe. Umefunga. Wanapiga. Si tumetoka hapo. They are celebrating. Hapana, sio huyu, mimi naongea. Si tumetoka hapo na wewe. The ladies are celebrating. Yeah, the ladies are celebrating because the ladies are
the reason why you find that these women have been not
kwa sababu niko na watatu ambao mimi walinipigia simu wakaniambia wamekaa miezi ngapi. Can we interview them? Inoro, you are here. Inoro,
you see now,
do we give Inoro an opportunity? They are for the state. Them they don't take any sides. These people don't take any sides.
You are complicating things. There is nobody from Inoro here. Watu wote ndio kutoka mali.
Ngige. Ngige anaripotia nani? Admin. Anaripotia nani? So what I am saying, for the estate, they are the eyes of the entire citizens of Kenya.
Yes.
Remove Alice Nganga. These people were already there, and these mothers are celebrating just to go home. 3 months soup. 3 months.
We have
3 months. Admin. 3 months.
We have agreed with you that we are going to follow the protocols of the county government of Kiambu.
3 months mtu wangu. 3 months. Atumia mieri 3. Mieri 3.
Uone wiro uria turutite.
Totagere kadimari.
Ona wone maundu maria
tatutagere ni maundu masimagere.
Na tondu twina waziri wa confirm ri. Sio wewe unamtoa.
Admin.
Uone watu wakitoka pole pole.
How long will the process take?
You see now.
How long will the process take? How long?
Within half an hour we'll have done.
Okay.
Tutakuwa mama watakuwa wameenda nyumbani.
Yes.
So hii bill finally hii bill mumeweva.
Hiyo imekuwa hivi.
Simpigie wao makofi kwa sababu hapana. They have to wait for us to come here. They have to wait for us to come here for them to waiver. They have to wait for us to come here for governor to waiver for 24 women who have been there. 24
last week so ni Kiambu.
3 months. 3 good months. Mothers have been here in Ruiru. Walipata watoto wakafingua kwa sababu ya hii bill. Kuna wengine wako na 7,000, kuna wengine wako na 10,000, kuna wengine wako na 31,000, kuna wengine wako na 20,000, kuna wengine wako na 37, kuna wengine wako na 44,000. So
juzi tumekuwa
my dear, akiwa mlikuwa unajua mimi niko hapa na uchungu wa mama. Uchungu. Dakika leta miezi 3 wakiwa nako na uchungu. Ambia watu wa media estate ati 3 months. Mama amefungiwa 3 months na mko na uchungu ya huyo mama. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months guys. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months. Tafadhali.
Hata pia sisi tunapeleka.
3 months. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months guys. 3 months. Mieri 3 gai mwega. Gai moira mieri 3. Mieri 3. Rekei tote tuiga haja. Rekei haya. Kere. Hapana. Mimi ni mama. Watu wa Kiambu County. Mama. Mieri 3. Mutumia hiro mwana mieri 3. Mieri 3. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months.
The last time
3 months.
Very well.
3 months. 3 months. Na tunaongea Ruiru. Tunaongea maneno. Unajua aterere admin. Unajua Thika walitolewa na Mheshimiwa Bazenga. Thika walitolewa Mheshimiwa Bazenga. Ule ana aspire kuwa governor Nairobi. Alitoka all the way from Nairobi. Akakuja na Thika. Akawalipia bili yote na akawalipia mpaka fare nyumbani. So mimi nimesema hivi, wacha hii trend ikatae kuendelea. Me I am here, just give me an opportunity to pay for these mothers.
Now that you have talked to Noro,
please. Now, address them when the mothers are out. When the mothers are out.
Yes.
I am living here when the mothers go home. Nitatoka huku wa mama wakienda nyumbani. Hapana, waende nyumbani. It is not stormy to pay. Through payment.
Everything has been taken care of. And everything has been paid for by the county government of Kiambu, led by His Excellency, Governor Kimani Wamatangi. So let us not politicize health issues. Let us ensure that everything.
We discharge mothers. They go home. Discharge mothers.
We have very many people.
We want our mothers to be discharged.
Discharge mothers.
That is still ongoing.
Discharge mothers.
All the treatment that they are supposed to.
Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers.
So that people can be respected.
Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers.
To treat our patients.
Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers. Tuko kwa cashier. This is a cash office. This is cash office. Here. Discharge mothers.
Discharge our mothers.
Officials from Kiambu who are going to come and clear the whole area about bodies.
Wanangojea nini kama mmeweka?
Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers. Discharge mothers. Mimi niko cash office. Watu waache kusema porojo. I am in cash office to pay for those mothers. Please discharge mothers. Discharge them. I'll live here when the mothers go home. 3 months. 3 months. 3 months. Surely 3 months.
3
months. Hapana. Hapana, miezi 3 ni mingi sana. Atumia acio maikarite guku mieri 3 na he angi maingirire guku mweri wa 2. Ungirora form ino uria yandikitwo haha, the Ruiru Level 4 Hospital bill cases from January 2026 to June 2026. Maritwa ma mothe a Naomi, a Sylvia na mbeca iria magirwo gukorwo makiriha na ukona na nini ngukuite mbeca iria magirwo gukorwo angimarihira nigetha mainuke. Ungiona muciari wothe okite haha agaikara mieri 3 4 5 atari arekio ni ndu wa biru ndirakigio kumarihira biru niki no ko ni menda kuma discharge matingia ma discharge mbere mataninite mieri 5. Atumia mieri 5 thibitari ngai mwega tandu matari tha ni mahingiirwo nyuma kuo na ni magiria ndimone ndayamera nyambe ndihe mbeca nigetha tume nao riu manjia kuga ni process nene manjia kuga ati ni makuiva mbeca ici and yet ni nguite mbeca cia kuriha biru ino yothe murona ha na biru niyo ma ino ya generate haha ino unit ino ni yao ino ni ya kuma cash office yao maraiga andu ayo othe uguo urona cigakinya 376 twagirwo ko tukiruta andu na kwina arwaru angi na waya maingiri ona maingirire January patient female ward ina andu mena 107 na mena 128 mbeca ciothe cionganiririo ciroka 550. I was willing to pay andu acio maikarite gukuma ngai muira maikarite kuma mieri 5. Yeah.
Atumia acio makuona nitugwa makiuga na makugwira muno. Na kurigana na andu haha online marauga ndugatigirire ndukaume tigirire atumia acio ni mauma. Kurigana na weko gukinya ati ringi ndurona atumia acio na ringi uguo gwakikia na maundu ndenda kuga ati njikarite haha ndiuma guku tondu ni ndine gukuite mbeca mainuke ri matikireke ndimarihire mainuke. Nino imagine utari wona na atumia wa mona hau nona magucuthagiria ndirica-ini atumia acio mena twana tungi mucie mena athuri mucie mena responsibility mucie riria ukumanyita ukamaiga mieri 5 ri urakimaigira mieri 5 guko magika atia ta matangireka tumarihire mainuke ai koni menda kuwiva ri mangiawivite iyo kana iyo riu ringi kana last month kana mweri ucio ungi wena kana mweri wa 3 tondu atumia maigirie guko mweri wa 2. Seriously speaking matireke aciari a mainuke and this is very unfair. Andu magatinda makaiga ati ni mawivite. Do they have to wait for us nigetha marekereria atumia? Do they have to wait for mothers to stay for 5 months so that they can release them? It is very unfair. They are saying it is politics. Which politics when mothers have stayed for 5 months? Which politics? And yet ni dithiete kuria mari jikarite cash office kuriha nyone makiuma tumania nao ngimarihagira fare makiinukaga tondu ona ko maikarite ku mieri 5 ri marahuta nginya mbeca cia kuinuka ku. What is wrong with that? And these people are 24. These mothers are 24. 24 mothers. Seriously. So you, the fourth estate, please wait with me. Let us do justice for the people of Kiambu. Let us do justice for the people of Kiambu.